Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic, and I really do not have much to show in March, which is a good thing, right? I'm not going to re-show the Uniquely Creative kit because I did do a video on that a few weeks ago. I'll put a link up for you for that. But a couple of things to show you. First one is some textured cardstock you can see here. Now this is from a local store in Australia called Kmart. I believe there is a Kmart in the US. I'm not sure if it's the same company or not. But you can see here there's some gorgeous textured cardstock and lots of different colours to use on here. Now I'll be honest, I bought this more as a filler so I could get free delivery on some other stuff I was ordering. But I'm glad I did because for $16 this is a lot cheaper than what we can get from the other craft store, which is Spotlight. One of the things that I do love to use this for though is taking photos on Instagram. So if you're also on Instagram, love sharing your craft ideas, I definitely suggest you invest in one of these. Just keep it, and let me just grab some close by, which is my memory decks box. And it's so easy then to decide what colour backdrop to use. You know, you can decide whichever one you want. It always looks different each time. And then just to show you how it would look, I've got this on a square setting and you can see there just how easy it is to make different coloured backgrounds each time for your Instagram. So I will be using it, no doubt. I want to make some paper flowers, some of the rolled flowers with this, but there's so much in here, I'll be able to use it for both. So yeah, 30 colours, 210 GSM, and there's 60 pages. So that's a little bit of a bargain. Now one of the reasons I haven't done an awful lot of crafting this month is because my son got a 3D printer. So I'm just going to show you here a picture of it, just in motion, it working. So I had to spend quite a bit of time with him just getting it set up and figuring out how to use it, all that jazz. So spent a lot of time this month, which is why you've not seen a lot of me on Instagram. Hoping to get back on track now. He's okay with it and doesn't need any more support. So hopefully I'll be getting back on track with my stuff. I've got something very small to show you from Amazon. Hopefully you can see that. This is some glycerin oil. So I got this vegetable glycerin. I was watching the Frugal Crafter and she mentioned how useful it was for your paints, your markers, that kind of thing, to keep them moist. In fact, she's got a video of top uses for it, so check that out. If I remember, I'll find a link and put it down below for you as well, so you know what I'm talking about. So that wasn't merch off Amazon, so I thought I'd order that and see how that goes. And then the last thing that I've got for the month of March, this was an order from Cozy Scrapbooking. Now this was ordered about 5-6 weeks ago, so it has taken quite a while to come. First of all, I got a couple of oxides. They were in the sale. These were the only ones that were in the sale in stock that I haven't already got, so happy to pick up a couple of those. Also took advantage and got this bone folder. This was in the sale. Now, I don't really need a bone folder. I've got many of them, but I have seen quite a few people using the EK Tools one, and it is normally a good brand. So I thought I'd get that as well. The other quick thing that I picked up was this water brush. You can never have too many water brushes, and this is a fine tip. I don't have a fine tip at the moment. And of course Pentella is a good brand as well, so I thought I would let that slip into the cart. I was under the threshold for delivery, so I thought I may as well max out what I can get before the delivery price increases. But this was my main reason for ordering, and yes, it's more Copics. Okay, so just taking them out of the packaging for you. So there was a Copic sale, and if you've watched my craft hauls before, you'll know I've started collecting these from Christmas with a lot of my birthday Christmas money, and my plan is just whenever they're on sale to stock up. So these were the only ones that they had in stock that I've not already got, so I'm still probably about halfway collecting them all, so good to get my hands on some of these. Picked up this little Memento dewdrop ink. I've been searching to get the last few of my collection, getting ever closer. It's very hard to find them in stock anywhere, so it was good to see that in there as well. And that is my craft haul for March. I don't have too much. I'm trying not to spend at the moment leading into Easter, and this order was back in February with some of my February crafting money, so I've done reasonably well throughout March, so I'm quite proud of myself for that. We'll see how we go into April. Again, not expecting to spend much throughout April, so it might be another little video for you. But that's it for March. So I hope you'll join me tomorrow for another video. If not, have a great crafting week. See you next time.